안녕 여러분! It's me again, Aiste, and today I was gonna do something fun for a video and go to some theme cafe in Seoul. Since in Korea, theme cafes and all sorts of types of cafes are really famous, people usually go there to catch up with their friends or study. So you know what? I'm gonna research some theme cafe and go there and show you guys. So let's get researching. Let's go. Thai theme cafe. The first one that comes up is Thanks Nature Cafe. Let's click on it. And that's in Hongdae, Hongking. Oh wow, they have Instagram page. Wow, it has sheeps and everything. And food looks so delicious. Wow, I think I'm gonna go there. Let's go. So we arrived to Thanks Nature Cafe, which is a sheep cafe. So let's go inside. Let's go. 가자. We can see the sheep already. Wow. So cute. Same. Wow. Oh, they look so cute. Here. I think they're really shy.
Yeah.
Come here. So, before you enter the cafe, you can stroke a sheep and just spend some time with sheep before you enter the actual cafe. And cafe is over there. So, anytime you want to see the sheep again, you can come out, see the sheep, and go back to cafe. So, I think it's really cool. The actual cafe. So, actual cafe looks like this. They have like sheep images. And you can see the other sheep are actually outside the door. You can come out anytime. We have English tea, so it's in grey tea. Yeah, grey tea. So we got, and you have a lot of ice, which looks really good. And I have the Americano, which is a nice cup, so standard drink, but the table looks really cute. And I love the amount of ice they give you. So now we got our honey baguette. Is it honey baguette? Wow.
Honey baguette, yeah.
That looks so nice. I never seen this kind of menu in a cafe before. I can't wait to try it. 맛있게 해주세요. 잘 먹겠습니다. 네.
So we're supposed to
Open the baguette and put the honey. Wow. 와, 맛있겠다. 오! 이거. So the honey butter baguette was so delicious, so we almost ate all of it. Wow. 너무 맛있어요. 맛있어요?
맛있어요.
맛있어요? 네. 너무 맛있어요. I really enjoy the experience here, and music is so relaxing. The environment is really good for if you want to chill or catch up with your friend. It's really good. And food was so delicious, and coffee as well. So I really love this cafe. And if I want to see the sheep, I can just go outside and see it. So here inside the cafe there is no sheep. However, outside there is 2 sheep. So it's up to you if you want to see it. You can quickly go out. If you want to stay warm, you can stay here. Or you can just look at the sheep through a window. So yeah, I'm really enjoying this cafe experience. And it was actually recommended #1 cafe in theme cafes on TripAdvisor. Then I typed in Google theme cafes. This cafe came up first. So you guys should visit it. So we just came out of the cafe and we meet sheep again. And their names are Tom and Jerry. Hi Tom, hi Jerry. Where are you? Wait. Oh. This is Tom and Jerry. So So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you'll visit this cafe. I'll put the link of this cafe name below in the description below so you can check it out, and definitely visit there. It's in Hongdae, so it's very accessible for people who live in Seoul. So I'll see you next time. Bye.